Came up looking like Roger Rabbit. You my man, Bobby, I love you. I didn't expect you to come up here, man. You little mom after awards. We saw it. That's for you. That's for my brother. Happy birthday, man. I love you. That's for you, man. We're gonna do one more song. The song I'm gonna do for you guys is called Thunder. And we got a lot of our success off this song. We wrote this song on a train. Back in 2006, we've been on the trains for, I've been on the train in years. Back in 2000, I came out in 06. 2005, we wrote this song, and it's the first violin song we ever wrote. And this is a song that kind of got us in the game, and it, you know, without lack of a better term, you know, changed the face of music. First instrumental single to go platinum in history. And we want to do it for you guys right here tonight. We want to thank you for letting us come out here and rock for you. And thank you so much. Enjoy your nights. If you're going home, get home safe. If you're not, club is open till 2. Let's go, Bobby.